Maria yo jingte batikna na ki sentiat baki don Arngut ki Briew ki bawan na silchar da ka bus night super bus cha Guwahati ki bala suba baki kit ki kenja jingdi drug bapen buat ki Pulit anti narcotic task force kari Bhoi district ki lapan up Shrip ya kanika kali hakapor prashiteng baje menstam ki labat ya kata ka bus ka badon yo number AS24C 9855 hakmat ki sakhi satar ki Pulit ki latarasi ya kanika bus Bat na kita ki Briew Arngut lakya mi ki drug marijuana ki bakhia prap point Briew kilo ki Pulit ki labat yu Rohit Raj Pandey arpo arsnam karta ukhon jung ubraj Shekhar Pandey nakasnong nakhas Devi Asthan Sampatchak Patna Bihar bat yu Bipul Kumar kharkhandai snam karta nasnong nakhas Machua Toli Sampachak Begampur Patna Bihar ki Pulit ki latel se kita ki drug bat lasyam bagi de ki jingdi penbuat ki bakhlan lakem mardor ki ki Arngut Namet jengki lalap artli ki mobile phone, bat ki jing toket ki dangya chaprang hakikan don jokaan NDPS Act.
Yeah. So today, that is the 11th of April 2023, based on the source information received, the ANTF team of Bhoi actually detained a vehicle coming from Silchar and proceeding towards Guwahati, super bus. The registration number AS24C 9855. And based on the information, we detained two of the suspects, and when the search was conducted, it was revealed that they were carrying around 7 packets of suspected contrabands. So the ANTF team conducted the preliminary test, and it revealed to be positive for marijuana. And in this connection, a NDPS case has been registered, and 2 accused, that is Shri Rohit Raj Pandey from Patna, Bihar, and Shri Bipul Kumar from Patna, Bihar. So both of them has been arrested, and the necessary formalities have been proceeding presently. And we also request the members of the public of Bhoi to keep cooperating with us in our war against the drugs, so that we can actually defeat this evil thing prevailing in our society. Thank you.